Hi, this is Chef Maria Sparks from Cork and Platter, and today I'm going to show you how to cook and eat corn on the cob. First thing we're going to do is make sure that you get a pot of water boiling. Put about a tablespoon of salt per 4 cobs of corn. Then you're going to take your corn and you're going to peel the husks and make sure that you get all the little fluffy bits off there as clean as possible. And then we're going to drop it into the water. And the best way to do that is we're going to give the corn about 15 minutes, and the best way to test if they're done is pull 1 cob of corn out and just prick it with a fork. And when the kernels are tender, you know you've got the perfect cob of corn ready to eat. And the best way for me that I like to eat my corn is I like to actually skewer it on the end and then roll it in butter and sprinkle it with a little salt and pepper. It's amazing.